What if your protein shake could taste like a 5-star treat instead of a lumpy mess? Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best blenders for ultra-smooth, creamy protein smoothies that save time and fuel your fitness journey. Stay with me for honest picks and quick value, and grab your favorite through the links in the description. At number 7 is NutriBullet Personal Blender. Ever wonder why your protein shakes never feel as smooth or satisfying as you hoped? Enter the NutriBullet Personal Blender, a game changer for anyone tired of lumpy, inconsistent blends. With its 600-watt motor, it effortlessly transforms fruits, veggies, and protein powders into creamy, sippable nutrition in seconds. The intuitive twist and blend design makes daily use stress-free, and cleanup is a breeze. Just rinse or toss the cup in the dishwasher. Compared to some of the larger blenders on our top 7 list, it's compact, convenient, and perfect for on-the-go smoothies without sacrificing power. Sure, it's not for massive batches, but for personal servings, it's pure magic. If you crave smooth, nutrient-packed shakes, this is a smart, reliable choice. Tested for real-world comfort, it truly delivers peace of mind in your healthy routine. Curious how it stacks against other top contenders? Keep watching. On number 6 is SAKAMOSH Blender for Shakes. Ever struggled with chunks in your protein shakes no matter how hard you blend? The SAKAMOSH Blender for Shakes might just solve that frustration once and for all. With a 1,200 watts motor and pulse technology hitting up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, even ice and frozen fruits vanish into perfectly smooth smoothies in seconds. Unlike some smaller blenders on our top 7 list, this one handles larger servings effortlessly, making it ideal for serious fitness enthusiasts or busy mornings. The durable 6-leaf stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting performance, while BPA-free travel cups bring convenience and peace of mind. You can sip your shake anywhere. Cleanup is stress-free with a self-clean function, and the non-slip base keeps things safe. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart, reliable choice if you want consistency without compromise. Curious how it compares to the NutriBullet for quick personal shakes? Stay tuned. At number 5 is Ninja Portable Blender. Ever been frustrated that your protein shake never fits your on-the-go lifestyle? The Ninja Portable Blender solves that instantly. With Ninja Blast technology, its stainless steel blades crush ice and frozen fruits effortlessly, delivering ultra-smooth shakes every time. Unlike some other blenders on our top 7 list, this one is fully portable with a USB-C rechargeable base, no cords, no hassle, just convenience wherever life takes you. The 18-ounce vessel with sip lid and hinged handle makes sipping your protein shake on the run effortless, while cleanup is painless thanks to dishwasher-safe, BPA-free parts and a 30-second self-clean cycle. Tested for real-world comfort, it gives peace of mind and reliable performance. Sure, it's smaller than countertop models, but if portability and speed are your priority, this is a smart, energizing choice. Curious how it compares to SAKAMOSH's powerhouse? Keep watching. At number 4 is Turelar Smoothie Maker. Ever wonder why some protein shakes still feel gritty despite blending for minutes? The Turelar Smoothie Maker tackles that head-on. With its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor and adjustable speed settings, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough ingredients into silky smooth shakes in seconds. Unlike some other blenders on our top 7 list, it offers nutrient-friendly blending, ensuring vitamins and minerals stay intact while giving the motor extra longevity. Its two 24-ounce travel cups with spout lids make on-the-go nutrition effortless, perfect for the gym, office, or park. Overload protection and heat vents provide peace of mind and safety, while self-cleaning and removable blades make cleanup a breeze. If you want a versatile, portable solution that feels powerful yet safe, this is a smart choice. Curious how it compares with the Ninja Portable Blender for busy lifestyles? Keep watching. On number 3 is Nahida Blender. Ever struggled with a blender that can't handle frozen fruits or tough veggies? The Nahida Blender tackles that problem head-on. With a powerful 1200-watt motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, it crushes ice, nuts, and frozen ingredients effortlessly, delivering smooth, creamy protein shakes in seconds. Compared to other blenders on our top 7 list, it strikes a perfect balance between compact size and countertop-level power. Equipped with two 6-fin stainless steel blades and 3 portable cups, it's versatile for shakes, sauces, baby food, or even grinding coffee and spices. Non-slip feet, cooling vents, and overheat protection give peace of mind and safety during use. Cleanup is effortless, just rinse the cups or twist to lock for a simple blend. If you want a powerful, safe, and portable blender that feels smart and reliable, this is a clear choice. Curious how it stacks against Turelar for portability and speed? Keep watching. At number 2 is Colarlemo Smoothie Blender. Did you know many personal blenders fail to crush ice or frozen fruits evenly? The Colarlemo Smoothie Blender flips that problem entirely. With a 1200-watt motor spinning up to 25,000 revolutions per minute and upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades, it pulverizes tough ingredients into silky, nutrient-rich protein shakes in seconds. Compared to other blenders on our top 7 list, it balances raw power with portability, making it perfect for home, office, or on-the-go smoothies. 3 versatile cup sizes, 23, 32, and 37 ounce, and clear measurement lines let you blend just the right amount while keeping cleanup effortless. Either rinse or use the quick one-touch self-cleaning trick. Non-slip feed and heat-vented base provide safety and peace of mind. If you want consistent, smooth, and nutritious shakes without compromise, this is a smart, reliable choice. Curious how it stacks up against Nahida for versatility? Keep watching. Now moving to the last one is Pakay Electric Blender. Ever felt frustrated that your on-the-go protein shakes just don't blend smoothly? The Pakay Electric Blender changes that instantly. With 12 stainless steel blades spinning at 21,000 revolutions per minute and a robust 50-watt motor, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and protein powders into silky shakes in under a minute. Unlike larger countertop blenders on our top 7 list, this one prioritizes portability without compromising performance. Its 500 ml BPA-free cup, USB-C rechargeable battery, and ultra-safe magnetic sensing switch give peace of mind and freedom, blend anywhere, from the office to the gym. The clutch transmission and double protection switch prevent accidents, so you can focus on nutrition, not safety concerns. Tested for real-world comfort, it's a smart choice for busy individuals seeking smooth, single-serve shakes. Curious how it compares to Ninja Portable Blender for ultimate portability and speed? Keep watching. Trophy emoji, winner, Colarlemo 12-piece Smoothie Blender Maker. This blender is the best choice from your top 7 because it combines real power, smooth results, and everyday practicality in one package. With a high-speed 25,000 RPM motor and upgraded stainless steel blades, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and protein powder into silky, lump-free smoothies, making your shakes taste better and feel creamier. It's easy to use, clean, and has multiple cup sizes for workouts, office, or travel, perfect for a busy, healthy lifestyle. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best blender for protein smoothies. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.